just back in, trying to let it all go, so I can freely follow. I know that I should cast my cares on you. Sometimes it's hard to let go. So I'll trust in your word for me, 'cause I know in you I am complete. Whatever it is, whatever may be, I know you'll never leave me. So I let go, let go. So I let go, let go. No more about no, let go, let go. So I let go, let go, let go. Come to you withholding nothing. With my hands up high, I'm singing your praises. I've left all that behind, I'm following you high. There's no going back down, I'm holding on you tight. Nothing can separate me from your love. Nothing can take me away from you. So I let go, let go. So I let go, let go. No more about no, let go, let go. So I let go, let go, let go. Let it take control, yeah. No more struggle.
Sacrifice for me, yeah. Oh, Lord, you never wanted for us to be apart, no. So you brought me back to your heart, and this is my reality, yeah. And this how it was meant to be, yeah. And I pray, whatever the weather, I'll stay right here with you. The trials may come and go, but I'm never leaving. You've put a joy inside my soul, and I'll keep believing. You did it before, you do it again, yeah. And it's one thing that I know, you did it before, you do it again, yeah. And it's one thing that I know.
1,000 songs, or even 1,000,000, but it wouldn't be enough to describe the love you have for us. Oh yeah, you laid your life, you paid the price so that I can have eternal life. Oh yes, no greater love than this, oh no. No greater love than this, oh no.
The trials may come and go,
but I'll keep.
You've put a joy inside my
That's
soul.
why I say
I'll keep believing. You did it before, you do it again.
it's one thing don't need to search all around, 'cause in you I have everything I'll ever need. I'll ever need. In you I live and move and have my being. You are everything I need you to be. Tell me who coming closer to my most high Jehovah. He's the one, the rock I rely on. He's the one, the rock, my salvation. Ain't nobody coming closer to my most high Jehovah. He's the one, the rock I rely on. He's the one, the rock, my salvation. It don't matter what may come my way, I'll keep your fire burning in my soul. I'll keep my eyes stayed on you, keep my mind stayed on you, 'cause I know you are in control. You're my firm foundation. You're my all in all. And everything I need I have in you. I sit up on the rhythm like a king ponder. From the top to the very last, I move with the wings of the spirit. From the top, I be going non-stop. Everything I do is for you. See, my life is for your glory, just you. That's why you beautify me, find me with love all around me, around me. It don't matter what may come my way, I'll keep your fire burning in my soul. I'll keep my eyes stayed on you, keep my mind stayed on you, 'cause I know you are in control. You're my firm foundation. You're my all in all. And everything I need I have in you, You're my firm foundation. You're my all in all. And everything I need I have in you, Sit up on the rhythm like a, sit up on the rhythm like a. Ready from the top to the very last drop, yeah. I sit up on the rhythm like a king on the throne, yeah. Very last drop, oh yeah. Oh. Many come and many go. That's just how it goes. The story never changes, it never gets old. But then you come and never leave. You stay right here with me. A love so amazing, I have never known. Yeah. Your kind of love, the best thing I've ever found. More than enough. I don't have to search around anymore. Yeah, the one I've been looking for. You're the one, you're the one, you're the one. You're the one that I worship. You're the one I adore. You're the one, Holy Spirit. You're the one, you're the one, you're the one. People will say what they wanna, but me I know send them, 'cause I got ya. So I keep going steady. I'm loaded, I'm ready.
What's up, chat? What's up? What's up? Good morning. Happy Wednesday, everybody. How you guys doing? What's up, Sing? What's up, Andre? Let's see who's here. Drop some energies in the chat. Let's go. Drop the energies in the chat, gang. Let's go, man.
So I keep going steady. I know that I'm ready. They won't try me, I'm ready. And nothing can stop me, stop me. Keep going steady. I know that I'm ready. They won't try me, I'm ready. And nothing can stop me, stop me. How can I lose? When God is you I choose. You're the one, you're the one, you're the one.
Yeah, first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. So you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push, he'd still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout, so you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarlane, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. And especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be all right. I've always had the ultimate confidence. I've always believed in myself. And I always strived to be the best I could be. It was instilled in me as a kid. When I was making this album, man, I went through 3 different titles and about 100 different emotions. And I just remember a conversation I had with Nick when he was doing Perfect 10. He said, man, you should name your album Faith of a Mustard Seed. And at that very moment, I didn't know exactly what he meant by it, but I knew it was something out the Bible. When I went and I did my research on what faith of a mustard seed meant, it says that with the faith of a mustard seed, God would allow you to move mountains. And I feel like where I come from, I moved just about every mountain that was in my way and still moving them with the faith of God. You know, when I was young, you know, when I say first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol, who had first brought me and my mom's, you know, that was like, that's a real thing. You know, I moved from the jungles to West LA, and I met this lady named Carol. Her son was a drummer at the church, and I remember one day I seen her going to church. She's like, you want to go to church with me? And I'm like, yeah. And I went. You know, I really went because I really wanted to be the drummer, but Jermaine was always the drummer, so I never became the drummer or whatever. But I went, and I became a member of Believers Community Baptist Church. And after I went a few times and I became a real member of the church, I got baptized. And I think after that I told my mom, well, I guess my mom was at the baptized ceremony. But I asked my mom,
What's up, gang? What's up? What's up? Morning, good morning. How you guys doing? Good morning, everybody. What's up, gang? What's up? Wow, we moved down yesterday. Retesting this area. Wow, man. Retest the breakout here. Really, really nice. Really clean. $200 pip. Nice, nice. All right, chat. Let me do the top down here. Let's start with the daily time frame. Okay. So the weekly, we still have 2 days and 14 hours for candle to close. So the daily, yeah, daily is still bullish. As you can see, we're just heading to the upside. We have wicks on the left-hand side here that it's gonna be filled today, or yeah, hopefully it's gonna be filled and start to react there once again. So that's the daily. It's really bullish. As you can see, we're heading to the upside here. The support is here. React on the support, resistance here. As you can see, candle close above, candles move up. So yeah, moving up here. That's the daily. Let's drop down to the 4-hour here. So the 4 here, as you can see, we have minor levels here on price. The support is down here. We have clean traffic going down, but didn't push even further down here. And we create some market structure here on the price 3784 to 3764. If you're gonna drop down to the 1 hour here, so the 1 hour, as you can see, the resistance up here, the support is here, and the candle pushing up here, retesting once again here, retest this area. So you can see retest, and then right now we're trying to move up again, probably all-time high here. We're gonna make a new all-time high again, probably, because the daily have wick, right? That needs to be filled. But let's see here. We move a lot. We move on the 50 minutes time frame here, right? So as you can see, 15 is moving up here, 30 minutes. Okay, we have some resistance form here. There's no candle close above, but you re-break the previous candle high here, so there is a high chance that we can move up here even further. So yeah, that's the 30. So market structure, okay. Let's see. We have support here, right? We have support. Damn. And we're pushing down now. So resistance, I probably gonna mark this up as my resistance. We need to wait for candle to close. If this candle close bearish, yeah, I probably gonna mark that my resistance level. So yeah, so currently range right now is 95 pip range. Um, damn. So there's no closure here on price. As you can see on the 30 minutes time frame, there's no closure above, right? There's no closure above. Let's see how this 30 minutes close. If this candle close respecting again, like this, so we're probably gonna grab some sales here to move down. 53 pip range, but let's see. The 4 hours still open. The 4 hours moving up. We don't have any bottom wick here on the 4, so yeah, let's see how many pip we move already. We move 288 pips on price right now. Let's see how this 30 minutes close. Respecting or gonna close above. All right, chat. So yeah, man. Shout out to 22 viewers right now. Make sure you drop some likes and subscribe to the channel. $5 minute per candle to close. Mm-mm. Eric, what's up? How you doing? Eric, how you doing? Man, we're still pushing up here. Good morning, good morning. What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Right on time. Let's go. Let's see. 3 minutes and 30 seconds here. How this 30 will close. Probably not gonna respect the resistance on the 30. Might close above. Two minutes and 50 seconds. Boom, 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 boom. 2 minutes. Man, we're gonna close above. Above here. One minute. We're gonna close above here. But we have minor levels on price now. Ooh. So we have minor levels here. Need to be aware. And resistance up here. Levels. So too many levels on the resistance area here. 1 hour, yep. 1 hour resistance too. You tap the 1 hour resistance there. There's no bottom wick on the one. So this one next 1 hour should create a bottom wick. Probably 9 seconds. No buenos. No buenos. Damn, look at this 4 hour candle rejections here. Right? If you are trading break on retest here on price, man, you are making profit here. You're making bags. Support here, resistance up here, and breakout. Right? We move up here, and we retest this resistance area. This should be the entry if you want to enter on the break and retest. Damn, no buenos for me, huh? For 3 days now. No buenos. It's okay. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see how this candle close. If this candle close bearish, and that's not, but you're really breaking the 15 lows right now. Impulse entry. Yeah, impulse entry really clean, but where are we gonna put the stops? 37 pip stops. 1 hour resistance. All right, gang. I'm probably gonna enter a sell here right now. Entering sell here as an impulse sell. I'm gonna put my stop probably up of this candle high here, and we're gonna target below this 52 pip. Okay. Yep, that's the sell there. Let's see, we're gonna move down here. So this is gonna be an impulse trade, chat. Okay, impulse trade. So technically impulse trade is we don't need to wait for the candle to close because right now we are in the London sessions. I know we have volume, so let's see if we're gonna move down here even further. I need to see probably once you top here, I'm gonna move my stops to break even. Yep, 20 pips. Okay, 8 pips in profit right now. Can we move down even further today, gang? This is the first trade of the week. Move. Move. We have volume. So volume, once you re-break this 30 minutes low here in the previous one, we'll see some move. And we're probably gonna close half of the position there, and yeah, that would be nice. Okay, chat. Yeah, can you tap that zone? Can we tap that zone? Right, gang. Nice trade today. I'm thinking if because there is a lot of volume. There is a lot of volume. All right, moving stop to break even right now as we speak. Right, and probably close some partials. Okay, I close some partials here. Oh damn, that was nice reactions, huh? I close partial at 16 pips. Yeah, here, around here. And yeah, right now, break even hit chat. So close half 50%. And it hit my break even. Good trade. Nice trade. Can't complain. That was a nice trade. Can't complain. That is a nice trade. W. W trade. W, man. W. W, everybody. That was 16 pips, right? I believe. Yeah, that was 16 pips for me. So that's the dub. Can you explain why I took this trade in a bullish market? So as you can see, the 1 hour here tapping the resistance, right? As you can see here on the price, we have resistance here, right? Resistance up there. As you can see, if we're gonna drop down to the 30 minutes time frame, we have some minor levels here, levels here, levels here. So this is the time that you need to be aware of when you're buying because you're tapping the resistance area. Okay, and we having volume, right? Open of a new candle, which is with the 1 hour candle, 15 minutes candle, 30 minutes candle. And as you can see here, we're trying to re-break this low, and you have clean traffic here on price. This is clean traffic. I believe this one is 50 pip range going down, right? This 50 pip range. So I need to take this trade, right? Because I have clean traffic here on price, right? That's gonna be the idea. All right, and partials there at 16 pips, and that's nice, nice trade, right? W, man. It's an impulse trade. Impulse trade is technically we don't need to wait for the candle to close, right? 0.6%. What about waiting for pullback and go long? Yeah, we can wait for that. Right? The advantage here is you are tapping the resistance area. Okay? That's the advantage here. right? And as you can see in the 1 hour, we move a lot, bro. We move a lot here. How many candles are printing bullish to the top side? If you want to wait for some pullbacks, you need to wait for candle to tap this area once again and move up, right? I'm not a swing trader. I am a session trader. Technically, I'm a session trader, so I need to follow the plan that I have every single day. So this is my idea. This is the plan today that we need to take. So yeah, that's it. All right. .6% full. What's that? 15 minutes impulse. Previous high and low. Impulse sell. Gold. London 12. Yeah. 9 24 20. Yeah, this is the first trade of the week, gang. That was nice. Let's see if we're gonna move down here. If you guys still holding, yeah, you can hold the trade, but sales plus 16 pips. That was nice. 16 pips. Who got the sales here, chat? Let me know. Who got the sales? Who got the sales here? Drop it in the chat. Let me see. Let me see that W in the chat. Let me see that W's in the chat. Still holding sales. Wow. Okay, nice. Yeah, you can hold till 3771 here. Oh, re-break the lows. That's the volume, man. That's the volume that I want to see. Holy W. That's the volume there, chat. That's the volume. Damn. One candle can rip down here. So the 4 hour has no bottom wick here. That's the advantage. One of the advantage too. You need to create a bottom wick enable for you to push up even further. The 1 hour here, no bottom wick too. Right? And if you wanna push up, you need to create top bottom wick enable for you to move up even further. Grab orders here. Right? Makes sense? Now it's making sense, huh? Making sense. The trade is make sense today. Chat. The trade is trading today, man. Right now, I think I'm gonna enter waiting for another. Which one? You're gonna enter what? Buy? Or you're gonna enter a sell? Right there, chat. That's the trade, bro. Damn. 30 pips. Take out the break even. We move almost 17, 18 pips. Take out the break even and then move down heavy. That's nice. 2 minutes for candle to close. Yeah, there's a high chance that we can fill the range here. 3770. So if you're still holding the trades, gang, yeah, hold the trades a little bit longer. Or if you wanna swing the trade, man, my full TP is here. If you wanna hold that. If you wanna hold that, hold that. Dang. Hold that. Hold that. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Damn, volume. Oh, volume. The volume is voluming. All right, almost filled the range. If this candle re-break the previous candle low, man, so you're gonna see move. You will see move, move down. You'll see moving down. Evening star of 15. All right, chat. There you go. 3771 here, full TP. The re-break there. If you got the trades there, man. W's in the chat. Congratulations, everybody. Congrats. Damn. 50 pips. 50 pips in profit right now. Got 2-3 pips thankfully in profit. 2-3 pips. Damn. All right. We hovering around here at support area. Let's see if we're gonna move down. 10 minutes for candle to close on the 30. That was dub today. First rate of the week. Mm-hmm. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Let me know questions. Let me know. Let me know. Oh, 83 wins. Oh. Dun, dun. Let me know. Let me know. Once the candle close below the ranger, you might see some move down heavy. We have volume. If 15 close like this is go long. Right now I'm not gonna say it's gonna go long. If the candle close like this, yeah, there's a high chance that we can move up again to retest the high. But if the candles are closing with a small body bullish, there's no long for me. Okay, understanding that the candle closure, how the candles move, the body of the candle is getting small, so there's no long for me. The 30 minutes candle close heavy bearish right now, as you can see, but the 1 hour is still open. Yep, we still have 36 minutes and this 1 hour can flip. Okay, but you need to wait for the 15 minutes candle close to take buys to retest the high again, 3780 probably. But right now, if the candles are closing with small body, there's no buy. Okay, where are you gonna buy after the open of the candle, even though the candle closed heavy bearish on the 30 minutes time frame? You need to understand the candle's closure. It's not all about, oh, market structure is bullish. I'm not trading that kind of strategy. I trade based on the candles, price actions, how the candle close, how the candles looks like. So keep in mind that every traders has different perspective. So follow your plan. All right. Trade the plan, plan the trade. Didn't grab my sell limit at 3775. Oh, now I'm just happy. We at last trade. Yeah, man. Wait again for another setup. Okay, make sure you like the stream here. Can I see 20 likes in the chat right now? Like the stream, subs to the channel. If you want to follow me on IG, link is in description for more trading content. All right, candle is gonna close bearish. Oh, we're pushing down again. Okay. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, man. Okay. Oh, damn. We're pushing heavy down. All right, full TP is hit. 52 pips. 50 pips. Right? Man. That's a straight chat. 1:1. 1:1 R. All right, we're pushing through. All right, chat. Full TP has been hit right now on live. Damn. That was nice. That was nice raid. I don't like the sell close below, overextend, and against the trend. Yeah, it's really, it's really risky to take against the trend. Right now, I'm not saying it's overextend. Overextend for me is you push down here. You feel the range. Because right now, this is going to be the range 1 here. This is going to be the range 1. And you're coming down to range 2. So there's no overextend. What do you mean overextend? Alright, this is the range 3. Range 3. So, yeah. Yeah, sometimes thing that we do not like still happen. Yeah, that's the market. So we need to adapt the market conditions. Number 1. Okay. Number 1 is the market condition. What is the condition right now? We have volume, right? Wow, shout out to 31 viewers right now. Chat, make sure you like the stream. Subs to the channel. Can I see 20 likes here in the chat? Should we sell now? Wait for the candle to close below for sell. Wait for this candle to close below. That should be fine. Right, in 1 minute. That was really nice here. Really, really nice trade. Re-breaking the previous candle low on the 1. Right? Perfect break on retest for the long. Yeah. If you want to take longs here, you can take longs. If you want to take sell, you can take sell. Be my guest, chat. Okay, you don't need to take my trades. I'm just here showing up every single day, breaking down my strategy, breaking down the analysis for the day. If you want to take longs, if you want to take sell, you can trade it right now. Be my guest, okay? So yeah, don't confuse the people in the chat. Oh, perfect break and retest on the long or support. So yeah, there's probably no bottom wick closure. Damn, that's really ugly on price. No bottom wick. All right, be careful on this price right now. What is your lot size, sir? And my lot size, it doesn't matter. The lot size, it doesn't matter. It matters for me the trade, the plan that you're following every single day. All right, Chab, be careful on sales here right now because we don't have any bottom wick closure. No bottom wick. You have volume. All right, we're pushing down here. Who got the sales there, chat? Drop it in the chat. Who got the sales there at the impulse? 3774. No, I mean 3776. 3776 impulse entry. If this candle close in the range, I like it. Yeah, if the candle close back in the range, man, this is really clean to take buys up. Because this is probably the 15 minutes fake out here. Right? We move down and we're re-breaking the previous candle low. And if this candle close back in the range bullish, man, it's gonna be interesting. Goodies to take buys, onion. Yeah, the 4-hour no bottom wick. So be careful too. We have a lot of volume, right? We are re-breaking the previous candle low, and as you can see, we're just consolidating on the one. But the good thing here, we have decent range to trade, right? As you can see, we have how many pip? We have 60 pip range going down. We move down, and this one is the clean range around 55 plus pips on the 15 minutes time frame. It's really clean, right? So yeah, that's it. That's it, everybody. And if you're gonna look here on the market structure, let's say 15 or 30, 1 hour is really good. Okay, let's say 15 minutes. Let me do this 15 market structure chat so you guys can understand. Resistance here. All right, we have support here. Create on price. This is gonna be the support level that we create. We move down. Okay, fake out. Liquidity grab. We move heavy. So what this means is break of structure. Right now, as you can see, if we're gonna, this is the resistance. The break of structure break here. Right, we retesting the structure. Okay, this is the structure. We move down. Right now, we move up. So this is gonna be, there's a high chance like this. And then once the candle close below, we can move down heavy. Right? Makes sense? That's how you break down the structure on the lower time frame, 30 minutes, 1 hour. You're gonna look on the candle move. right, gang? So yeah, man. Any questions there, chat? Can I see 20 likes in the stream right now? Can I see 20 likes here? Can I see 20 likes in the chat? Twenty likes in the chat would be nice. All right, gang. We are re-breaking the lows again. We are reacting on the support levels. Hey, bro, sell on gold. Because we don't have any bottom week closure in the 30. That's really the problem. That's the problem there in the 30. Right? That's why you start to hover around here. 15 minutes time frame start to hover around because once the candle close without any bottom wick, we don't have range to move down. Right? We don't have range to move down. So right now we need to wait for this candle to close. This 15, if this 15 close bullish with the small body, right? You can make sell stop on the rebreak of the previous candle low. Here's the sell stop and wait for the next 15 candle open. If the candle move down, re-break the low, there's a high chance that we can push. I'm good. I'm out of sell. Wow, congratulations. Congrats, everybody. Congrats. Who took those sales? Congratulations. Congratulations. W, yeah, W, man. Congrats. W, nice, nice. W. Damn, full TP. And if the 15 close with a good body, yes, there is a high chance that we can push up. Well, let's see. 7 minutes for candle to close. Right? We have a next range here. As I told you guys, this is the range 1. Range 2. Range 3. Damn, that's the re-break the low there. Okay. Volume. Can we drop right now, chat? Can we drop? Can we drop heavy? Can we drop heavy today? Hey, bro. Yes, what's up, bro? What happened? 4 minutes for candle to close. All right, we probably gonna move down. But I'm not gonna take any more trade, chat. That's all for me. So if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Damn, look at the gold here. Gold is like the same BTC volume, same BTC volatile, pushing up, pumping up. Oh damn, damn Goldie. Too early out and got my piece of pie again. Wow, congrats, man. Too many piece of pie there, chat. Can I have some piece of pie? Can I have some piece of pie too? Can we take sell now or wait for retest? Don't take sell now. Don't take any sell yet. No sell. Wait for candle to close. Billy bro, can I have a piece of pie too? Can you share some piece of pie there? Damn. All right, that's the melt. That's the volume. Big W for King. King. King for the win. Wow. Let's go, gang. Took the cells of the five. Which five? Oh, 5 minutes candle. Oh, nice. Yeah, clean traffic going down. Open up the candle. Man, 15 pips in profit. Nice one. Right. There's no buy here. Right now, there's no buy, chat. Okay? So don't be, I told you, man, if you want to follow the people that has a result. Don't follow the people that, oh, buy now, take trade now. Man, they don't know any better, bro. Right? I tell you this right now. If you want to take buy here, yeah, you can take buy, but it's low probability. Right? We're seeing the candles are pushing down. Why we're gonna take buy? There's no buy. There's no buy yet. Okay? If you wanna take buy, you need to wait for the support to form. And once the candle close bullish, support form is there, you can take buy. Yeah, we are in the all-time high here. We know that we are really bullish on price, but we are not trading daily time frame. We are not trading 4-hour time frame. We are not trading 1-hour time frame. We trade 15 and 30 minutes time frame, and we know that the 15 there are high chance that we can move down because we have clean traffic here on price. So don't tell me that we need to buy now because we are bullish. Yeah, we're bullish, but we need to wait for the market structure to be formed to take buy. Right? That's really problem with a trader. They wanna, make some strategy that is not gonna make them profit. All right, candle to close. Candle close bearish again, chat. Hey, Philip. Who's bending? All right, chat. Yeah, man. That was if you're gonna. Ooh, damn. If you are entering on 3771 for sales, week entry is there. Wow, nice. That was really clean. All right. Damn, chat. Ooh, 86 pip in profit. Yeah, there's a high chance we're gonna continue 3749 today, 3751. That was, man, the volume. The volume is voluming today. All right, gang. Um, I'm gonna call it a day here right now. Man, I'm tired, you know. I hit the gym this morning. I'm hungry right now. So chat. Thank you guys for tuning in to the live stream. If you got the dubs today, make sure you protect that W. We don't have any news today on the NY session. So don't overtrade, don't over risk here, gang. Okay. So love and wisdom to you all, chat. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace and love, everybody. I'm out here, gang. Peace, peace.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shop so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I want to lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince would do. If not for the pledge, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Hey, hey, hey. This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Did you realize that you are a champion? Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back